Today I'm going to show you how to add AdBlock on Google Chrome step by step. First, open your Chrome browser. Search Chrome Web Store. Search for AdBlock. Click on Add to Chrome. Then click Add Extension. You can pin ad blocks. Ads will now be blocked automatically. From now on, you will no longer see ads when you visit any website. The advantage of AdBlock is that it helps you visit websites and speeds up browsing, and protects your privacy by hiding many of the information that collects from you. Again, you can turn AdBlock on or off as per your needs.